Are you trying to decide between LinkedIn Premium and LinkedIn Sales Navigator? Both offer unique features tailored to different professional needs. Now let's break it down to see which one is right for you. Disclaimer, this comparison is based on personal opinion and independent research using the official LinkedIn websites and available public information. LinkedIn Premium is designed for job seekers and professionals looking to grow their network and skills. Here are some of the key perks. First, email messaging. Contact anyone on LinkedIn, even if you're not connected, who viewed your profile, see who's checking you out, and how they find you. Next is LinkedIn Learning. Access thousands of courses to improve your skills and job insights to see how you compare to other applicants. Downsides, it's not built for deep sales prospecting, and the search filters are fairly limited compared to Sales Navigator. While Sales Navigator is a tool for sales professionals and teams, it focuses on lead generation, account tracking, and relationship building. Key features include advanced search filters, use 30 plus filters to find exactly the right prospects. For lead recommendations, you can get AI-powered suggestions for people and companies to reach out to, and CRM integration, which you can sync your outreach with platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot, custom lists and alerts, which keep tabs on key accounts and track updates in real time. The downsides, it's more expensive than premium and overkill if you're not into sales or B2B outreach. So for the final verdict, you can choose LinkedIn Premium if you're job hunting, networking, or growing your personal brand, while you can go with Sales Navigator if your focus is sales, client outreach, or B2B prospecting. Both tools are powerful but serve different goals. Figure out what you need most and you'll know which one is worth your money. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.